In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an image inside a shape. Figma tutorial. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to take any image and neatly place it inside a rectangle, circle, polygon, or custom vector shape in Figma. This is great for avatars, thumbnails, or any design where you want a clean, clipped image that conforms to your layout. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in so you can access your files. Once you're in, open the design you want to work on. Give the canvas a moment to load and make sure you're on the correct page or frame where the shape lives. Next, make sure your shape is ready. You can use a standard shape like a rectangle or ellipse or a more complex custom path. The key is that it should be a closed shape, sized roughly how you want the final image to appear. If you're using a vector outline, confirm it's closed so the image can fill it properly. Now select your shape on the canvas. Look to the right-hand sidebar and find the Fill section. If you already see a color fill, perfect. Click on that fill swatch to open the fill controls. In the type drop-down, where it likely says solid, change it to image. This tells Figma you want to use an image as the fill for the selected shape. When image is selected, click the option to choose or upload an image. Pick the file from your computer. Figma will immediately place that image inside the shape, using the shape's boundaries as a mask. You'll see the image conform to the exact outline of your shape, which is exactly what we want. If you need to refine how it looks, stay in the same fill controls. You can adjust how the image fits. Fill will cover the shape, while cropping excess. Fit will show the whole image inside the shape, and Tile repeats the image. Use crop or scale adjustments to reposition and resize the image within the shape without changing the shape itself. Drag to shift the focal point so the most important part of the image sits where you want it. If the image looks off, check that your shape isn't set to low opacity or a blend mode that hides it. Also confirm the shape is closed and large enough for the image to read well. That's it. You opened Figma, opened your design, prepared your shape, selected it, switched the fill to image, and uploaded your image to place it cleanly inside the shape. Save your work, and you're ready to use this technique across your project.